Hi, I'm Ron with Cruising This Old Boat, and today I'm going to show you how to enter the keel offset on your Garmin GPSMap 1243 XSV. There are three different ways to adjust the keel offset on the Garmin GPSMap 1243 XSV. The first way, and the way I do it on mine, is that my chart plotter communicates via NMEA 2000 with my chart plotter on the lower helm, which is not a 1243, and my transducer is hooked up to that chart plotter on the lower helm. So any keel offset adjustment must be made on the chart plotter that the transducer is hooked up to. Because of that, I can't show you the complete steps to adjust it on your 1243, but I'll walk you through as far as I can. Unfortunately, because the transducer does not communicate directly with my 1243, the required buttons to adjust the keel offset don't even show up. So I'm going to walk you through as far as I can, but just know that if your transducer is hooked directly to some other chart plotter, then you must make that adjustment on that chart plotter. Now, the second way to adjust your keel offset if your transducer is hooked to the NMEA 2000 backbone is to hit the home button on your Garmin GPSMap 1243 XSV and then select the settings button. You'll then see the communications button. Press that. You see the NMEA 2000 setup. Press that. Then you see the device list. Press that. And it will bring up a list of devices over here on the left. One of those devices, if your transducer was hooked up to the NMEA 2000 backbone, would be your transducer. As you can see, I don't have a transducer listed there because, again, mine is hooked directly to a chart plotter down below. If your transducer showed up on this list, you would then press on the transducer. It would bring up a review button. You would depress the review button, and then one of the listings would be keel offset. You would press that button and adjust your keel offset. In order to determine how far to adjust your keel offset, if you're on the hard, what you want to do is measure the distance between the bottom of your transducer and where you're trying to get to. If you want to know how much water is underneath your keel, then you want to measure from the bottom of the transducer to the bottom of your keel, the lowest point on your keel. Whatever number you come up with, let's say it's 3 feet, then you would enter that into your keel offset as a positive plus 3 feet. However, if you're wanting to know the actual depth of the water, you would measure from the bottom of the transducer to the water line on your boat, and you would enter that as a negative number. So let's say that was 2.5 feet. Then your number would be negative 2.5 feet. The third and final way that you can adjust the keel offset on your Garmin GPSMap 1243 XSV is when the transducer is connected directly to your Garmin GPSMap 1243 XSV. In that case, you would select the home button. Then you would select the settings button. You would go to My Vessel. You would select depth and anchoring. And if your transducer was hooked directly to this chart plotter, there would be an additional button there called keel offset. You would press that keel offset button and make the required adjustment. Again, if you're wanting to know the depth below your boat, then you would enter the distance between your transducer and the bottom of your keel as a positive number. If you're wanting to know the actual depth of the water, you would enter the distance between the bottom of your transducer and the surface, the water line, and enter that as a negative number. And that's all there is to it, to enter the keel offset on your Garmin GPSMap 1243 XSV. Thanks for watching.